All right, so now we're going to be talking about Au clair de la lune. And notice that in Au clair de la lune, we have quarter notes, we have half notes, we got whole notes, right? But the pitches are still B's, A's, and G's, all right? Now, this one does require a bit of practice. This is actually your white belt song, all right? But the thing that I would recommend you do is to play it like a measure at a time. So in that first measure, you'd play ta, 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 and notice that those notes stay, 3 of them are the same, and then the 4th one is different. So you need to figure out what those notes are. Again, they're B's, A's, and G's, so I'm going to leave it up to you. Figure out what line the note is on, or the space that it's in, to figure out what it is, right? So after you play that, ta, 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 and you can sing it and tap your foot. I'm sorry, after you can sing it and tap your foot, then you go ahead and you play it, all right? So like this. One, two, three, four. Pretty cool, right? Now, second measure, we have 2 half notes. Ta, ta. So you break that down and sing that, and then you go ahead and play it. Oh, geez. All right? And then the third measure is probably the trickiest one. Ta, 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 ta. Some fancy finger work on that. And then the 4th measure is a whole note. So that's kind of easy. All right. Now, when you play all those individually, you can just focus on each one. Then you try to piece it together. And then you probably have noticed that if you compare the first 4 measures and the last 4 measures, that they are identical. All right? So have fun with Au clair de la lune. Yay!